This segment will demonstrate how to operate, store, and maintain your new 110-pound push broadcast spreader. Read the information on the chemical package instructions and cautions on handling and applying. Wear eye and hand protection when handling and when applying lawn or garden chemicals. Never allow children to operate the spreader. Do not use powdered lawn chemicals. They do not give satisfactory or consistent broadcast patterns. Estimate the size of the area to be covered and calculate the amount of material required. Set the adjustable stop according to the flow setting recommended in the application chart on this page. Be sure to refer to the instructions on the packaging for the material to be spread. The application chart is calculated for light to heavy coverage at a vehicle speed of 3 miles per hour, or 100 feet in 23 seconds. Do not exceed 6 miles per hour. Make sure the control lever is in the off position. Fill the hopper, breaking up any lumpy fertilizer. Start the spreader in motion and then pull the control lever forward against the adjustable stop to the on position. Always move the control lever to the off position before turning or stopping. To ensure uniform coverage, make each pass so that the broadcast pattern slightly overlaps the pattern from the previous pass. The approximate broadcast widths for different materials are shown in the application chart on this page. For rectangular areas, make 2 passes across the short ends to create turning areas. For non-rectangular areas, make 2 passes around the entire border. When broadcasting weed control fertilizers, make sure the broadcast pattern does not hit evergreen trees, flowers, or shrubs. To store the spreader, empty the spreader after each use, storing the leftover material in its original bag. Rinse the inside of the hopper and the exterior of the spreader and dry off before storing. Store in a clean, dry area. If you replace the gears, be sure to reassemble the axle, gears, and washers in their original positions. Add grease to the gears. To maintain the spreader, oil the free spinning wheel once a year or more often as needed. Oil the nylon bushings in the frame tube and cross brace once a year or more often as needed. Apply a light coating of grease to the gears as needed. Before each use, make a thorough visual check of the spreader for any bolts and nuts which may have loosened. Retighten any loose bolts and nuts. Make sure the tires are adequately inflated. Do not inflate beyond the maximum pressure printed on the tire. Overinflated tires can explode, causing serious injury. Always use a hand pump to safely inflate the tires.